Okay guys, first, sorry about the coffee stain. Yeah, I totally spilled my coffee this morning when I was doing this. Okay, so what I want to show you is how you guys are going to be doing this project. This project is going to be a 2-week project, okay? So it's a lawn chair. You've got two different types of wood, okay? You've got 2x4s and then you have a 1x4, okay? You're going to calculate your total inches and costs and everything on your Google sheet. Here's an example of what the Google sheet looks like. I just put it on Google Classroom. You will copy and paste this. This is where your answers go. This is where I'm going to be checking your answers, okay? When you go to calculate this, let me show you real quick how you're going to calculate this, okay? If you're looking for letter A, okay, if you notice, A through G are all 2x4s. Pretty easy, okay? A is this piece right here, and I already listed that you need two of them. It's 20 3/4 by 2x4, okay? So you know you're gonna need two. So you're gonna put 20 3/4 by 2x4, okay? So if you find B right there, you need two of them, 2x4, and it's 20 inches, okay? So over here, you've got 20 inches by 2x4, okay? Now your letter C. Oh, that's right there, okay? Although this says a 2x2, you still gotta have a 2x4 in order to get a 2x2, okay? It's basically a 2x4 and you rip it down to 2x2, okay? So don't worry about that little 2, all right? On here, you can just write it down just like I wrote it here, 26.5. Well, and you're also gonna need two of those. 26.5 by 2x2, but don't worry about that extra 2, and I'm gonna tell you why, okay? Your D, I gotta find it. A, B, C, oh, here, your D. You only need one, it's 19.5 inches long, 2x4. So you only need one, 19.5 by 2x4, okay? Your E, it's over here on this page, 22.5, and it's 2x4, but you only need one. 20.5 by 2x4. Your F, oh, it's over here on this one, okay? You only need one, 22.5 by 4x2 or 2x4, okay? 22.5, and you need one. It's basically the same as E. And then your G is right there too, okay? You need two of them, 31.5, okay? So it's that long base, 31.5, and you need two of them, goes here. 31.5 by 2x4. Now here's the trick. I know you're supposed to multiply all the way across, okay? Don't do that for this. For all these, because it's the same type of wood, the only thing you need to do is multiply 2 times 20.75, okay? And I'm just gonna write this down. Whoops, 41.5. Then you're gonna go 2 times 20. That's obviously 40. 2 times 26.5 is 53. 19.5, because it's only times 1. 22.5 times 1, 22.5 times 1, so you got 22.5, 22.5, and then 31.5 times 2 is going to be 63. So what you do is you add up all those numbers and you're going to get a specific number, okay? It's a 3-digit number. I'm not going to tell you what it is, make you work for it. Then you're going to divide that by 12. I know you're normally used to doing this divided by 144, okay? But don't worry about that this time. Just divide it by 12. okay? And whatever you get, you're gonna round up to the nearest whole number, okay? I don't know what the answer is, I'm just telling you. Like, let's just say you have 10.6 or even a 10.4 or something like that. You're gonna wanna round that number up to 11, okay? What that means is, because I'm going to ask you on this worksheet here, okay, where you get over here, your total number of 2x4 boards that you're going to need. Okay, you've got, they come in 4 feet, 6 feet, 8 feet, 10 feet, 12 feet. Okay, what you're going to do is you're going to list the size and the quantity like this. So based on this number 11, how many 2x4 boards in what dimensions do you need? So let's just say 11. Okay, you know you're going to need a 10-foot plus something else. Well, if you only need 11 feet of a 2x4, I would go to the next one up and say, I need one 12-foot board. So you would put 1-12 for like FTBD. That's what your answer would be. Okay, like I said, I don't know what the answer is because I haven't done my math yet, but that's what you're going to do. Okay, now it's a little bit easier by the 1x4s. So you're going to find your HIJKL and you're going to list the quantity, list your inches. Now you would multiply all the way across, and down here, whatever your answer is, okay, you are going to divide by 144, okay? And then over on your sheet, you're going to need to put what are your total inches here. Same thing here. What are your total inches for 2x4s? For 1x4s here. So that's your inches. When you divide it by 144, okay, then what you do is you multiply it by $1.42. Your 1x4s. Remember how I always say the cost of wood? Cost is $1.42. So whatever this number is, that's going to be your board feet. So let's just say you had like 300 inches. I don't even know what it is, but, and you divide it and you're going to get like 2.1. Okay. You're going to take 2.1, multiply it by $1.42. That's going to give you how much your cost is for 1x4s. Okay. That's your total cost for 1x4s. And that goes here. And I'm going to ask you also, what would be the total cost to make one lawn chair? Well, I told you, you got to add your 2x4 plus your 1x4. So these two, you got to add and put here. What would it cost to make 2 lawn chairs? So basically, you got to double that number and put here. Okay. If you have questions, let me know. Or you can just rewind this video. All right. Hope this helps.